Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price update, and the current price for Vechain is at the $0.05 mark. In this video, I'll be giving you my key expectations that I expect to see on this chart. And before I do that, I'll give you a quick brief of what has been happening on this chart. So from around January of 2021, we started having higher prices for Vechain, and we have this Elliott wave in a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which took us to an all-time high. And from that point, I have this massive ABC correction that is on this other side. And in this ABC correction, the C wave took us to around the $0.04 mark. And note that over here we have this support that we have on the around the $0.05 mark. So we came down to this support that you have over here. Some candles closed below it, and then we went above it a little bit and had support to the upper side. We broke to the upper side and reached the $0.07 mark, and from there we started experiencing lower prices for Vechain. And today I woke up to even lower prices for Vechain, but at the moment the market is recovering from that. And some of the key expectations that I expect to see on this chart are that now that we are trading within this support that we have over here, that support might not hold at the moment, and we can unlock even lower prices for Vechain and maybe reach this support that we have on the lower part of this descending channel that is over here. And note that this descending channel has been well respected, so we can have a pullback and touch the support that we have over there, and that will be still in this wave C that is over here. So that wave C might take us a little bit down to the $0.02 mark, and from there we can then have a bounce back. And also note that for me, Vechain, I think in this ABC correction has done whatever I needed it to do, because we touched some of the key targets that I expected it to touch, the $0.05 mark, this region that I have over here. So having done that in its ABC correction, what I expected it to do next is that I expected us to unlock higher prices to the upper side, and that move will take us to an all-time high. But because Bitcoin is sometimes it's selling off, maybe that's why we are continuing to see lower prices for Vechain. So one of the key and my main scenario that I expect to see on this chart is that we are going to unlock higher prices for Vechain, and that's basing it on the fact that Vechain in its ABC correction has done whatever we needed it to do by touching the key targets that the ABC correction was supposed to touch. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out, and make sure that you continue watching these key supports and resistances that we have over here, and I'll keep you updated. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe and notification bell.